Two teams of boxers will be looking to keep this country's boxing traditions high when they take part in two competitions in the next 2 weeks, according to President of the Guyana Boxing Association, Steve Ninval.
Two teams leaving the country shortly. One is the Barbados, it's a three-man team going to Barbados to participate in an invitational competition which kicks off on Saturday. And the other team is going to the South American Youth Championships in Peru. That's a four-man team that will be headed by Mr. Vincel Thomas.
National coach Terence Poole said the boxers have been training for just about 4 months now, and he expects a good showing from them. Head coach of the Guyana Boxing Association, Vincel Thomas, was also optimistic of his team that he's going to take to Peru. He said they should be able to adapt to the conditions there.
During sparring the last couple of days, people were looking like medal, but I can only say so from here. I don't know what we can meet when we get out here.
And boxing coach Seabird Blake will be traveling to Hungary next week to take up an Olympic solidarity coaching course there. The program lasts for just about 3 months and will take place at the Semmelweis University Institute of Sport and Education. Blake was very loud in praise of his employers, Guyana Power and Light, and also the Guyana Olympic Association and the Boxing Association, for affording him the opportunity to improve his skills. Boxing Association President Steve Ninval said the Guyana Olympic Association has always been supportive of amateur boxing. And to football, Guyana's FIFA Gold Project will come under scrutiny when an official from the world body gets here tomorrow. FIFA Technical Development Officer Howard McIntosh will assess the state of the project, which is supposed to improve the status of football in Guyana, and to also advise on the way forward. Guyana Football Federation President Christopher Matthias said he welcomes the visit.
He'll be here from the 12th to the 16th of September, and the discrepancies and the anomalies which we would have discovered would have been sent to him. They'll be further discussed, and then we'll know exactly what would be FIFA and CONCACAF's position as regards the Gold Project at present.
And to basketball, Lodge Meadowbrook defeated Buxton 73-44 in the group round of the Moccasin-sponsored Trinity Grid Pacesetters (TGH) Interward Basketball Tournament on Wednesday. Pelham Doris had 16 points, 5 assists. Mortimer Williams grabbed 15 points, 6 rebounds and 3 steals. And Hodiah Stewart and Sean Blair netted 10 and 7 points each. Ewart Smith scored 10 and Lashal Caesar 8 for Buxton. In the Group A encounter, MacDoom Diamond defeated Alberton Border 69-56. Travis Burnett led the East Bank with 24 points, while Tyrone Hamid netted 10. For the city side, Yannick December collected 18 points and 3 rebounds, while Jaime Myers scored 10 points. On the East Coast side, Plaisance Frieslas blew out East West Rumvelt 121-53 in their Group B fixture. Nikolai Smith led the way with 22 points, 3 steals and 3 assists, while Nicholas Cassius 16, Enoch Matthews and Hugh Arthur 13 apiece, and Shelroy Thomas 12 were the main scorers. Dwayne Walters led East West Rumvelt with 17 points and 8 boards, while Albert Grant scored 14 points. And to cricket, 24 players have been shortlisted to train in preparation for the Demerara Cricket Board 50-over senior intercounty competition. The competition is sponsored by Pepsi and gets underway in just over a week's time. The squad includes the West Indies' most senior test batsman Shivnarine Chandapal, as well as his son, under-19 player Tej Narain. It also includes Ramnaresh Sarwan, Christopher Barnwell and Trevon Griffith. The players will go through a fitness test on Monday, following which a squad for the matches will be selected. National selector Rayon Griffith is expected to be one of the persons doing that assessment. And with that, we've come to the end of our Diamond Mineral Water Sports for Thursday. I'm Raul Collins. And to cricket, 24 players have been shortlisted to train in preparation for the Demerara Cricket Board 50-over senior intercounty competition. The competition is sponsored by Pepsi and gets underway in just over a week's time.